Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupinder and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about silent hypoxia and one of the coronavirus symptoms which patients do not know they have. Now, a dangerous symptom of coronavirus that can cause a patient fall more sick, sometime unconscious, or sometime patient can die due to hypoxia. Now, what is hypoxia? When the body tissues do not receive a good amount of oxygen, then we say that the patient is in hypoxia. Shortness of breath accompanies with hypoxia as an indicator of the body oxygen level have been dropped, and this can lead to the death of a patient, and that can also lead to the patient in a more critical condition. But in a condition called silent hypoxia, when oxygen fall down but an individual or that patient does not feel any symptom or neither any sign that something is went wrong, and it is one of the common effect of coronavirus right now we are facing. And I have seen number of patients, they really do not feel anything. So alarming low oxygen level but no shortness of breath, we call it as a silent hypoxia. Now the patient had oxygen saturation is इन पेशेंट के अंदर जो सैचुरेशन लेवल है वो बिलो 50 चला जाता है, लो होता है 50%, 60%, 70%, एंड नॉर्मली लेवल जो हम लोग सैचुरेशन बोलते हैं दैट इज़ 94 to 100%. तो इन पेशेंट का जो है वो काफ़ी बिलो चला जाता है और उनको पता भी नहीं चलता. Now what concern us in patient, that when the patient arrives in the hospital, they started to experience symptoms, and at that point they were already in the critical condition. क्योंकि वो पहले पता नहीं चलता है, बाद में डेवलप होता है, तो ऑलरेडी वो जो कंडीशन है वो काफ़ी क्रिटिकल हो जाती है. And the purpose of the lung is to bring the air that we breathe into the contact with our blood. So when the respiratory system is function properly, that process goes smooth. But in a whole bunch of illness of coronavirus infection, that ability of match the oxygen in the blood flow is impaired, and the lung become inflamed and stiff, and which cause breathlessness. Now, but for some patient with this novel coronavirus, they go through a phase where lungs are become more stiff. The lungs are become inflamed, but the receptor of the lungs that signals to the brain that something is off or not working properly. So that is why they might not feel that shortness of breath that comes with the hypoxia. So that is really not really feeling until maybe later on, because when the lungs start to become stiffer and harder to move and the person perceive breathlessness. Another reason of silent hypoxia of COVID-19 could be a slow and steadily decline of oxygen, where the patient has not noticed decreased lung function. So it might be a subtle. Now the thing is why I am talking all these medical terminology with you, because as I told you, the patient do not feel anything, the patient don't get any symptom, so it comes a very serious issue. And for that issue I have make this video to aware you guys कि आप प्लीज़ अपने घर में, इसका सिर्फ एक ही सॉल्यूशन है कि हम लोग अपने अपने घरों में एक जो पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर करके आता है, जो हम डॉक्टर्स उसको मॉनिटर करते हैं सैचुरेशन को, वो सब आप अपने घर में रखिए. जिस तरीके से सैनिटाइज़र, ग्लव्स, हर एक चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, वैसे ही आज हर एक घर में एक पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. आपके घर में ओल्ड एज लोग रह रहे हैं, आपके घर में अगर कोई कोमॉर्बिड पेशेंट है तो उनको ऐसी अनसर्टन सिचुएशन हो सकती है, तो आप उस अनसर्टन सिचुएशन से बचने के लिए एज अ प्रिवेंटिव केयर आप इसको रखिए और घर में जो है वो ज़रूर मॉनिटरिंग कीजिए. नाउ वन मोर थिंग इज़ ऑल्सो देयर कि कई बार क्या होता है कि जब हम कोविड-19 के पेशेंट्स में हम लोग मैनेज करते हैं और एस्थमेटिक पेशेंट को भी हम लोग कई बार सैचुरेशन जो है वो घर में हम लोग ला के रखते हैं। तो आपको ये याद रखना है कि आज जो बेड्स हैं वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, और ऐसे बहुत सारे पेशेंट हमारे पास आए हैं जिनको बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता है, उनकी सैचुरेशन 50, 40, 60 उतने तक भी हुई है। जब तक वो हॉस्पिटल पहुंचते हैं दे डाई ऑन अ वे टू द हॉस्पिटल। सो प्लीज़ इट इज़ माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल यू गाइज, प्लीज़ implement this, and I hope you will like my video and will do share it to the needy ones. Thank you, thanks for watching me.